Alrighty, everyone. Today we're at Superwash in Lombard, Illinois. I grew up going to one of these Superwash car washes back in the day. They were actually pretty good car washes because you have a self-serve here and you have the automatic bays over there. And the automatic bays are the main attraction because they have a pretty unique system. I'm sure you guys watch the Elevator Channel's videos on a Superwash where it has the monorail systems. Well, this location has it, and unfortunately one is broken or maybe closed for maintenance. So we have one open right here, so we're just going to take a look at that. Hope it doesn't fall over. Alright. Let's park. Alright, everyone. So I verified my card. I did Superwash polish, which I never done a super polish. Maybe I have once, but with my father back in the day. But let's drive in slow. Okay. I wonder where the switch is at. Okay. Doesn't sound too good. Maybe I should take it off the... Yeah, these machines are notoriously known for being a little bit like rough around the edges, but they actually do a pretty good job. You can see the monorail system up there. Oh wow, the pump. There it goes. It seems like all the sprayers are working. I think this is high pressure soap, maybe? Again, I'm not, it's been a long time since I've been to one of these. Polish. This is polish. Right there. Alright, you can see it come around it. There it comes. I don't have a sunroof, unfortunately, but What now? Spot free. Again, these are pretty quick for being like probably 20 years old or even more, 30 years old. So spot free water, you don't have to dry. So I don't need to dry this when I get out of the wash. There goes the garage door, it's opening. Oh, these have dryers. Oh, that's amazing. Huh. The one I grew up going to never had dryers. All right, and usually sometimes they'll tell you to go, but oh, these are good dryers. Holy the car is shaking. Look at that. Those are some, holy, wow. Look at my mirror. All right, let's park, and we're gonna check out the wash thing. So give me 1 second. You already know we have to check this thing out. You have my keys? Yep. Beep away. All right, here's the pay station. So I did press that for $7. It's automatics, super wash. Yeah, this bay has an air dryer. I don't think the other one has it. So here's the inside of the wash. As you can see, it's a monorail system. Well, I had never been in one. Sometimes you have to watch out for people. Here's how it works. It's emptying out. And also it's on the top. The pivot's at the top, so it will spin around. And yeah. And there's a stop plate. So yeah, pretty interesting system. And I love the stoplight type thing. Alrighty then. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna do more car wash videos, but they're gonna be spread out because like I don't have the type of money to get washes every single month, every single day. So yeah. Bye guys.